Bridge network is protocol that enables transfer of assets or data from one blockchain network to another.
Blockchains are siloed by design. What could this possibly mean?
This implies that blockchains are autonomous and independent of each other and they lack means of communicating with one another, and this is why interoperability is important.
Cross-chain protocols or bridges were developed to link blockchains together irrespective of their consensus mechanisms, standards, policies, or governance structures.
Thanks to cross-chain technology, token issuers and blockchain protocols can make it possible for their users to bridge tokens to other networks to avoid enormous transaction fees or slow transaction times. Cross-chain protocols enable the integration and communication of blockchains, which promotes the widespread adoption and is very advantageous to both users and developers. Even while there have been many bridges put on the market, none have, at least not yet, actually filled the gap for all arbitrary cross-chain assets and transactions. Transferring a non-fungible asset requires a different protocol than moving a fungible asset, which in turn requires a different protocol than trading cross-chain, and so on. A lot of contemporary bridges and cross-chain protocols also require some level of human integration, which requires several steps for applying, getting accepted, integrating, etc. Given the enormous variety of cryptocurrencies in use, this strategy is ineffective. Bridge network meets a major market demand caused by subpar user experience, creating a standard and seamless user experience.
It has several sophisticated technologies that enable smooth switching between chains that are compatible with the EVM and non-EVM.
The blockchain industry is growing massively, several developers taking initiative to build better chains where projects can launch on. But as different chains arise, from Ethereum to Avalanche to Solana, and so on, they are coded differently, making them incompatible to one another. In a continuously developing world, there is an increasing need for users of chains to be able to make their assets interact with other chains. The long procedures that follow the transfer of a token and asset from one network to another in exchanges is tedious, time-consuming, and high cost due to the number of transaction fees and gas fees you have to pay.
So, you may be asking, why use Bridge Network? Bridge Network takes no transaction fees.
Cross-bridging from one chain to another on Bridge Network costs nothing, yet its transaction speed is incredibly fast, taking only few seconds to complete.
You should try it out and see for yourself. Which asset will you be looking to bridge? From which chain to what chain? Go to Bridge Network dApp and perform your bridge. You'll be surprised at what you find.